I know, Essie, you are also obsessed with skincare, healthy skin, glowing skin, skincare routine, or treatments. But you must know about the active ingredients that are present in the skincare products or the active ingredients that should be involved in your skincare routine to make your skin clear, more glowy, more healthy, and more hydrated, or to choose the skincare products or brands that will suit your skin better. Today, I will tell you about niacinamide, towards which the world is going gaga over it. You should be familiar with the term niacinamide, but I can help you to know more about what is niacinamide, how can you involve it in your skincare regime, what precautions should be taken while applying niacinamide, what other ingredients goes well with niacinamide, and what not, for which skin type it is suitable for, and why it becomes a favorite treatment and one of the most trending active ingredient over the world. Do you know what niacinamide is?
Actually, Soul, I am only familiar with the term but do not know what actually it is.
Don't worry, I will tell you about niacinamide. Niacinamide is also called as nicotinamide. Niacinamide is one of the two major forms of vitamin B3 found in supplements. The other major form of vitamin B3 is nicotinic acid. But niacinamide and nicotinic acid are two different things. Niacinamide is a form of vitamin B3 which enriches your body with two important molecules, that is NAD positive and NADP positive. These molecules are vital to help your cells carry out their functions properly, ensuring good healthy skin. Vitamin B3 is not stored in your body naturally. Thus, consuming it in the form of dietary sources and topical use for better skin health is essential. This multifunctional ingredient is a water-soluble derivative of niacin or vitamin B3. Vitamin B3 is one of 8 vitamins in the vitamin B complex. They are essential vitamins, meaning the body does not make them or does not make enough to be sufficient, so that an outside source of vitamin B is needed. Cells in our body and skin need niacinamide to make cofactors necessary for keeping cells functioning properly and for carrying out various processes that occur in our body like metabolism and damage repair. Niacinamide is often touted to help manage acne, rosacea, pigmentation issues, and wrinkles. Niacinamide has emerged as a black horse in the active ingredient list. Let's know why the whole world is going gaga over the niacinamides. Why niacinamide has become a favorite, most trending active.
Soul, can you tell me what are the benefits that niacinamide can provide to the skin?
Yes, why not, Essie? Overall, niacinamide can help to build proteins in the skin and lock moisture to prevent environmental damage. Niacinamide helps to build keratin, a type of protein that keeps your skin firm and healthy. Niacinamide can help your skin grow as ceramide, which can in turn help retain moisture. This is beneficial for all skin types, especially if you have eczema or mature skin. Niacinamide reduces inflammation, which may help to ease redness for eczema, acne, and other inflammatory skin conditions. Niacinamide smoothens the skin and moisturizes the skin, which may have a secondary benefit of a natural reduction in pore size over time. The benefits of moisture retention are not just for those with dry skin types. Niacinamide can also help to regulate the amount of oil the sebaceous gland produces and prevent your glands from going into overdrive. Niacinamide can concurrently rebuild healthy skin cells while also protecting them from damage caused by ultraviolet rays. Some research has found 5% niacinamide concentration can be helpful in lightening dark spots. Benefits were seen after 4 weeks, but not beyond 2 months. This benefit may be due to increased collagen production. The 5% of niacinamide concentration can be helpful in reducing some signs of sun damage that comes with aging. This include fine lines and wrinkles. Niacinamide helps to build cells in the skin while also protecting them from environmental stresses such as sunlight, pollution, and toxins. Niacinamide can be helpful to treat severe acne, especially inflammatory forms. Over time, niacinamide will improve the texture of your skin.
Soul, can you tell me for which skin type niacinamide is suitable for?
Sure, Essie. Vitamin B3 is great for all types of skin and skin condition. It is an excellent hydrator and helps the skin to retain moisture. So it is ideal if yours is dry or prone to redness and eczema. It is also brilliant at dealing with acne and acne scarring as it is gentle on the skin while helping to increase ceramide production which aids repair and renewal. It also works very well for oily complexions as it regulates sebum production, which can help to prevent acne breakouts. It is not as active as some other ingredients, so it takes a longer period of time to see results if used on its own. The magic of vitamin B3 is really when it is combined with other active ingredients.
Soul, can you tell me what are the precautions should I take while using niacinamide?
Unlike some ingredients that require great precaution before adding them to your skincare routine, there are not many precautions needed while applying vitamin B3 topically. But it is important to use low concentration of the formula, typically no greater than 5% at the beginning to avoid irritation. Niacinamide topically can cause stinging, burning or flushing to the skin in some people because it speeds skin cell turnover. Some might experience peeling or flaking. There is no need to be worried. It is always a good practice to apply any new product on a small patch of skin before applying all over the face to ensure there are no reactions. You should keep in mind that you should not mix niacinamide with acidic skincare ingredients like alpha hydroxy acids, beta hydroxy acids, and vitamin C. Niacinamide and vitamin C are two skincare ingredients that have awesome benefits for the skin. It's just together they are not the perfect pair. Acids typically have a pH between 3.0 to 4.0, while niacinamide is around 5.0 to 7.0. When you mix them together, the niacinamide will raise the pH of the acid. The study compared the absorption of alpha hydroxy acids at pH 3.0 and 7.0 and found that the higher the pH, the less the skin absorbs. That means you would be missing out on all the benefits your acid has to offer. Another problem with mixing niacinamide and acid is that it can cause redness and flushing. That's from the acid lowering the pH of the niacinamide, which triggers a converts it into niacin, which is the another form of B3.
Soul, do you know what other active ingredients can go well with niacinamide and complement with its benefits.
Niacinamide and retinols are the perfect pair. Niacinamide is one of those skincare ingredients that just seems to do everything. It is anti-aging, reduces pigmentation, fights acne, reduces facial redness, and hydrates skin. The latter of which particularly makes it an ideal companion to retinol. Retinol is another all-rounder that increases the rate of skin all turnover, the speed at which dead skin cells are shed from the surface of the skin. However, while some research suggests that retinol can increase skin hydration, it often initially causes irritation by damaging the skin's barrier and increasing the amount of water lost from the skin. That's where niacinamide comes in. Niacinamide is able to stabilize the skin barrier function, reducing the amount of water lost and increasing overall hydration. It is thought that hydrating effect is due to the fact that niacinamide increases the number of natural lipids within the outermost layer of the skin that protect us from environment pollutants. That layer has a brick and mortar-like structure where the lipids fill the gaps between the skin cells to create a barrier. Hyaluronic acid is the other active ingredient that goes well with niacinamide. It helps to reduce pigmentation, moisturize the skin, and hydrates the skin to make the skin more dewy and glowy. So, you can use niacinamide and hyaluronic acid together at the same time